This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your EasyCam camera. First, let's carefully unbox your new camera. Take out the camera unit, the USB cable, and any instruction manuals or software disks. It's important to make sure all parts are accounted for before we move on to the next steps. This ensures a smooth and complete setup process for your new device. Now, let's make the physical connection. Take the USB cable and firmly plug the smaller end into the corresponding port on your EasyCam camera. Then, connect the larger end of the USB cable into an open USB port on your computer. For the best video quality and data transfer speed, we recommend using a USB 2.0 or 3.0 port if available. Next, we'll install the necessary drivers and software. If your camera came with an installation disk, insert it into your computer's optical drive and follow the instructions. If not, you can easily download the most current drivers directly from the official EasyCam website. Just follow the simple on-screen prompts to complete the installation process quickly and efficiently. Finally, let's test your new EasyCam. Open a video conferencing application like Zoom or Google Meet, or use the camera's dedicated utility software. In the settings, select your EasyCam as the preferred video input device. You can then fine-tune settings such as brightness, contrast, and white balance to achieve the best possible image quality for your needs. Enjoy your clear video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.